Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Estimate it faculty, staff, and fellow students. I stand before you today to express my strong opposition to smoke within our campus grounds. Your campus should be a heaven of health and being for all. Unfortunately, the presence of smoke on campus undermines this fundamental principle. Cigarette smoke is a cocktail of harmful chemicals, including nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. These substances not only harm the smoker but also poses significant risks to the exposure to secondhand smoke. Students have consistently shown that secondhand smoke can lead to a range of health problems, including lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory illness. Moreover, smoking on campus creates an unpleasant and unhealthy environment for everyone. That smell of cigarette smoke in private and can linger in classroom, library, and other shared space. This not only detracts for the learning expression but also create discomfort for those who are sensitive to the smell or who have respiratory condition. By implementing a comprehensive smoking ban on campus. We can create a hill and more pleasant environment for all. This word involving designating specific smoke area outside the campus ground, providing support service for those who wish to quit smoking, and conducting awareness campaign to education the campus community about the danger of smoking. Let's me work together to make your campus a smoke-free zone. By doing so, we can protect the health of your student, faculty, and staff, and create a more conducive learning environment for all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction to Simple Present Tense by Adelia Putri. Let me introduce myself. Hi everyone. Let's be introduction myself. My name is Adelia Putri. You can call me Adelia. I'm majoring in Informatika Technology 2024. University Bina Sarana Informatika, Faculty of Engineering. Why did I close the topic simple present? To explain. Because this topic is the basic of English, but in reading or speech. However, many do not understand the simple present as the basic of English. Therefore, let me explain in more detail. What is simple present tense? Description extension that are habitual, generation truth, or fixed. The simple present tense is as to express round tense, repeated activity and things that are always true. It forms the basis for clear communication about events that happens regulator or are universally accepted. Use of simple present tense to express habitats, descriptions, activities, or extension that are done, regulation, or repetitively. Explain, I go for a talk every morning. To stay generator truth indication indicated first there are universally truth and not subject to chance. Explain the air revolve around the sun. To talk about fixed agreements. Reference to plan even the schedules that are certain explains the train leaves at 6 p.m. Structure, positive stance, subject plus base verb plus object. The structure is as for simple statements describing regulate extension or phase. The subject is followed by the base for the verb with hood and modification for I, you, we, they, or with an S, as for he, she, it. Explain. He walked to school. He or she or it requires the verb to modify with us. Explain. I play soccer. I or you or we or they as the best form. Structure negative sentence. Subject plus do or does not plus base verb plus object. To form a negative sentence in the simple present tense as do not for subject I, you, we, they, and does not for subject he, she, it. The best verb remains chance. Explain. Explains she does not play suffrage. Subject she. Negative do not. Best verb play. Explain. They you not go to school. Subject they negative do not. Best evernya ever verb go. The quafkilire verb does remove the need to add as or ac to the main verb. Structure question. Do or does plus subject plus base verb object to form a quest in the simple present tense. Begin with do for the subject I, you, we, they, and does for the subject he see it. The best for the verb remaining on chance. Explain. Do you like the coffee? Do you like coffee? Subject you. Auxiliary do. Best verb like. Explain. Does he play the guitar? Subject he. Explainsnya does. Best for play. As with at first of frequency. At friends of frequency are as with simple present tense to description how often an extension occurs common at friends of frequency instantly always asleep often sometimes really never positive of at friends first before the main verb explain she always drink tea in the morning after the verb to be explain he is often late of work. Explain Stan, I never miss my morning wake woke up that sometimes play soccer after school. Spelling rules for thing person singular in the simple present tense why asking the present singular he see it and as to the best verb rule for adding most verb at as explain her runs explain her goes to the park every day. She study English in run often in the city. As the simple present in daily life. The simple present tense in commonly as to express deliberations, general faith, and schedule even daily routines as to talk about attention that happen regulation. Explain, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. He read the newspaper every morning. General phase as the statements the are always true. Explain water boils at 2 derajat Celcius. The leer or beats the sun schedule even as future event based on schedule. Explain the train left at p.m. The class start at 8 a.m. Making negative in the simple present. To make negative sentence in the simple present tense as do not or does not before the base form of the verb. Texture for I, you, we, they. As do not explain, she does not play football. Import not do not change the main verb when as do or does not. The verb stay in this base form. Explain he does not eat breakfast. Not he does eat breakfast. Forming question in simple present tense. To form simple present tense as do or does at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject and the base form of the verb. Texture do or does plus subject plus base verb. For are you we they as do explain do you like pizza? He for he see it as does explain do does she play piano? For that point, the main verb stay in this base form explain does he go to school? Not does he goes to school. Short and somewhere can be given as we, I do, or no, he does not. Her question in the simple present. What question? Be the question word like what, where, when, why, who, play, followed by do or does, the subject and the base form of the verb. Texture, what word plus do or does verb, subject verb base verb. For are you we they as do. Explain where do you live? For he see it as does. Why do they study English? Explain what does he do on weakness? Weakness. Why does he go to the gym? Excuse. Explain sentence English. Why talk to school every day? Explains indicate the subject. Subject she dia, third person singular base form of the verb. Base verb talk berjalan, spelling lure, for thing person singular at as to the best verb talk becomes talks final and somewhere. English, she talks to school every day. Exercise 2. Explain extension English the like pizza. Explanation indivi the subject they mereka plitural base form of the verb like suka forming the negative sentence as do not or do not plus base verb structure subject plus do not verb plus base verb plus and somewhere English the do not like pizza. Explanation 3. Explanation sentence English she played the guitar. Explanation identification the subject. Subject she, dia, singular. Base form of the verb. Base verb play, bermain. Forming the negative sentence as does not plus base verb structure subject plus does not plus base verb final and somewhere. English she does not play the guitar. Exercise 4. Explain sentence English we eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Explanation identify the subject. Subject we kami plural. Base form the verb. Base verb eat. Makan. Form the negative sentence as do not plus base verb. Structure subject plus do not plus base verb. Final and somewhere. English we do not eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Rangkuman, simple present tense digunakan untuk menggambarkan kebiasaan rutinitas sehari-hari, fakta umum, dan kenyataan yang selalu benar. Struktur berdasarkan mencakup bentuk positif, negatif, dan pertanyaan. Yes, no, to, dan what. Subjek seperti he, she, it menggunakan kata kerja dengan tambahan s or es, sedangkan subjek I, you, we, they menggunakan kata kerja bentuk dasar. Pertanyaan simple present dapat dibentuk dengan menggunakan do or does di awal kalimat. Ikuti subjek dan kata dasar aturan pengerjaan kata kerja seperti menambahkan s or es dan perubahan y menjadi ies. Penting untuk diperhatikan, kesalahan umum meliputi penggunaan bentuk kata pekerja yang salah pada subjek tertentu dan kesalahan dalam membentuk kalimat negatif atau pertanyaan secara keseluruhan simple present tense adalah salah satu dari penguasaan bahasa Inggris untuk menyampaikan hal-hal yang bersifat tetap atau sering dilakukan. Terima kasih. Thank you. Hontoni arigato.